So we were done till the 7th question last video. So now we are going with the 8th one part. So let's get started. The question they're asking a snail which move with I inches and m minutes. So at this rate, how many feet can it move in h hours? This is a little tricky question. They are saying this means they are moving in x feet. This means we'll divide this x feet with the h hours. Okay, which is equal to what? That is equal to 12x 1 feet, which is equal to 12x inches. Okay, inches. Then this would be divided with how many minutes? This would be divided with 6 hours, which means it have 60 minutes. 60 h, still we need to write h because we are writing in hour, which is equal to minutes. We know minutes. Okay, and then which is equal to what? That is equal to 12 ones are 12 I, like 1, which is equal to inches I. This is 1 right now, by the way, 1, and 60, which means 5. So this means I, if I write simply inches, because 1 is not very important, but still I'm just doing that. I'm not doing directly. I'm going to show you everything. Inches which are equal to x, because x was present in the value, which is equal to how many? 5 minutes, or we just write this minute. So this means we can say there is x upon 5, which is 5 hours. It is written here minute and hours. Okay, so x upon 5, x here, which shows inches, and hours, 5 hours, which shows minute, because we have divided it accordingly minutes. Okay, this means so x, when we cross multiply now, so 5xi, which would be divided with m, and that is equal to, we are finding x value here, so x would be separated, this 5 would be multiplied with this one I. So the answer you find is x is equal to 5him. So A here is the right option. Then 9, which is Barbara can grade t test in 1 upon x hours. At this rate, how many tests can she grade in x hours? So how we'll do this, we know the t test which would be divided with 1 upon xr, 1 upon xr, which is equal to tx. Well, we need to find the value of tx, the test which have been done. The question was asking how many grade t test in 1 upon xr, so we need to find the rest test grade tx, which means we need to find then, which is equal to 1 upon x. We can also write this as 1r only, because x downward have been moved to upper part. This x which have been moved to upper one, so we just found this value. And what's happening with the slide? It's okay. Then this is the value. So now since he grade tx test each hour, so in xr he can grade x, which would be multiplied with this tx. So when it would be multiplied, you will get the answer, which is t. When you multiply, this means power have been added, x squared. So this means this would be the test he can do in that time. So this means B here is the right option. So the last question that have been given, so we will do that question with the grinding question which have been given, because we don't have much time. Otherwise the right option is A, but we'll do in the next video. But here our chapter ends with all whatever we have done in this part. This was a long chapter a little, because we got 20 examples, everything we've done regarding this chapter. So I'm sure from here it was started. I'm sure you've watched